We are truly honored by your gracious presence. Now we escorted by Bhavya and Vish. Now we would recognize our district officers. Sonoma ji, our association. Warm welcome, ma'am. Now it's the time for closing ceremony. We now proceed with the calling of the respective Ankamanchi. We also request both the staff बच्चे नहीं उनसे पहचान बनती है और आपका गुण ही आपकी सबसे बड़ी पहचान है। Interview divided up to get contact. Club President Ramaji and Masaji to call the
our grandchildren, notwithstanding the differences to serve our fellow men. Remembering that never our area the need for service arises, helping to be ready to serve, endeavoring to make our life of energy worthwhile, ensuring that we have
शरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय
Your remarkable leadership and unwavering dedication to inner ways mission have been a beacon of hope and inspiration to all of us. Your tireless efforts and empowered countless women, and we are grateful for your selfless service. Madam, we are extremely proud of our members. They are always and ever ready to participate in district activities. As you are aware that our club recorded highest attendance in district rally and rallycon conference at Congo. We attended 11 members. Our club is highest in number. And we participated in mythological dance and got prize. And our ISO, Sujata also, actively involved. Your appreciation means a lot to us. And these our members great encouragement. Under the spirit of friendship, our club has undertaken several meaningful projects, such as supporting old age homes, organizing health camps, donating cricket bats to schools, and celebrating Diwali with orphan children. We are now preparing to implement the Happy School program by renovating a library group, donating school bags to the government school children, and we are also planning to donate artificial limbs as part of our upcoming project. Ma'am, our secretary will now present her detailed project report for the year of 2025 and 26. Thank you, ma'am. And once again, a very warm welcome to the Interview Club of Nizamabad and Interview Club of Guntur. Thank you once again. Where compassion becomes action and service becomes respected President Rama Garu, District Chairman Swarnalata Garu, dignitaries and dear inner members. Good morning. I am proud to present the project report of the Innerwing Club of Nizamabad for this Innerwing year so far. Our journey began with a strong focus on environment responsibility through a plantation drive, planters and shield distribution, promotion of cloth bags and eco-friendly Ganesh and the community. In the area of health and wellness, we continued a maternal and child care program. Mega Health Camp offering free medical checkup and community nutrition initiatives such as Annadanam and food distribution, extending care and support to the most needy section of our community. We actively supported education and youth development by providing school fee assistance, donating sports equipment to encourage physical fitness, and recognizing teachers and students through encouragement and felicitation programs. Our community welfare initiatives included support to street vendors through umbrella distribution and family welfare programs benefiting large section of the local community. Cultural bonding and friendship were celebrated through Batkama, Dandiya, Garba, Inner Day, Friendship Day, and our installation ceremony, strengthening unity, tradition, and the spirit of inner way. Each project reflects teamwork, compassion, and commitment. These achievements are not numbers; they are life touch and smile created. The club activity participated in the district assembly and the Ongol rally, successfully completing a total of 22 projects, with an overall contribution of rupees 4,45,100. I sincerely thank our president, office bearers, and every member whose dedication turned ideas into impact. I also extend my heartfelt gratitude to our journal sponsor and well-wisher. Together, we will continue to step up and lead by example. Thank you.
To answer to address the gathering.
Case Pranadata Madam and our distinguished guest and my dear innovative sister. Namaste, continued creators and guiders. Madam, we are very lucky to have you as district chairman, madam. Under your guidance, we manage some of your goals to do other projects, madam. Accordingly, we have started with celebrating Doctors on July 1st, which is on Doctor's Day. Later, as a part of our goal, we have conducted our breast cancer screening program at our Cancer Institute in association with Base Foundation Money. And later, our main theme is to get awareness of the girl child. We have done a beautiful project by Orange the World program, madam, in association with our number club, madam. Like that, we being a few people with our small treasury, we managed to do some beautiful projects to at least attain the goals, madam. You have been a visionary. Thank you, sir, for the guidance, madam. Under the spirit of service with friendship, our club has undertaken many other several meaning projects. We organized health camps, we conducted awareness programs, and conducted competitions to school recently on the occasion of Sankranti festival and also on the occasion of January 26th, celebrating our Republic Day. Madam, now our secretary is now present the detailed project report of the year, madam. Thank you, madam, once again. A very warm welcome from our club, madam.
Yeah. Innovative Club of Hindu presents the secretary report. Sachin.
Education, environment, and social well-being. We conducted a health checkup camp for orphans at Manavata Sadan, followed by support at a cancer screening program to the distribution of fruits and water bottles to promote comfort and nutrition. To strengthen maternal health, we organized a fruit distribution program for pregnant women, encouraging
areas. So in this is the topmost state where we have worked for nearly 50 satellite temples situated on the area. The rest of the temples are listed here with I request board members to go through that because many of us are aware of we are not aware of this fact. Let us know the value, the significance of the Nirama district also. Thank you. Past President Swarupa Devi. Now I share we shall now recognize the presence of past President and
Madam ready?
join your hands together, please.
Yes, madam ready? Madam ready? Yes, ready, madam?
We now recognize the presence of past President and round of applause. Please.
Yes.
Past President Amira Devi.
Yes, ready, madam? Madam?
Past President Sulala Pandu.
Yes, ready, madam?
A huge round of applause for all these past presidents.
On this, she has no name, her hobby. She is interested in dedicated health service for economic development in 8 years. This was capital of India and
All confident and you must join in and cheer up. This is the thing we never get to give to you. I have grown here. They have given me a hand and half an hour more. If you all agree. Yeah. You know, because we are sure to welcome the responsibilities of friendship and service that membership brings with it. We believe that you will enjoy being a member of our truly international organization and take full and active part in all that this club offers. And we also hope that you feel among yourself, happy among your friends, and enjoy participating in all aspects of inner peace. On behalf of your I introduce the new member to you and ask you to extend your friendship. So we all welcome to stand.
Hello, Maharashtra. Thanks for joining the University Club of Mangalore and I
Welcome family. Congratulations, Jaya.
Ready, madam? Ready, madam?
ఇచ్చుడమ్మా
ఇంజనీరింగ్ తరఫు నుంచి ఇలా చేయడం చాలా
Madam, madam. Ready, madam? Ready, madam? Ready, madam? Ready, madam? Okay, madam. Ready?
A dynamic leader whose dedication, vision, and commitment truly inspire us all. Our beloved district chairman, Srimati K. Varnalata. For me, she is Varna. Because my journey, I want to add few lines about my journey and my friendship with her. So we started maybe 1 year ahead of her, but it was a beautiful journey. Wherever I went, I was alone, but she is the one who accompanied me for all the association events I attended. That's how bonding started. Suddenly, one day, when I was ISO and district ISO, and she was the editor. So what did she call her? See, we have a meeting at Goa. District editors and ISO meet. I hardly spoken with her 2-3 times, right? We have met once, 2-3 times only or more, I have spoken to her. She said, we will go. Are you ready? Yes, I said. That is how our friendship started. Bonding तो मुश्किल नहीं है. क्योंकि अगर अंतर रखो, उसका नाम क्या है सामने events के हैं. But beautiful journey started and my friendship with her has grown. So we shared so many things and so many mysterious things also we have done there. We would have done everything. When I was mismatch, she was there with me throughout and helped me. So it's a beautiful journey with her. So thanks for giving me this opportunity to introduce my friend, K. and well appreciated online ISO and editors needs. As a district treasurer, she spoke at a keyzone meet at Calcutta on the challenges of women entrepreneurs and the road to success as an entrepreneur herself. This innovative journey has definitely reflected troubles and friendship, having made a large circle of friends across the globe. Swarna is a multi-faceted person with various interests, an entrepreneur with a creative product line, with gardener, with a collection of exotic plants, and she is a national level speaker. Representing Telangana has won many awards and applause. Passion, she is guided by passion to help the needy and to make a difference in society and help bring about a change. Working with victims of abuse and sustainable skill programs to rehabilitate them. Conducting awareness programs for prevention of domestic violence, child sexual abuse. She is also certified CSC trainer and she is a consultant with many NGOs. IWC Secunderabad has rehabilitated more than 350 girls and women become self-reliant and live a life of normalcy. That is a very good thing. She is credited with brand economics by getting awarded signed with Usha International, Singer India, UNDP, etc. She is supporting to many NGOs to help to rescue children from child marriage. About herself, she was a change maker with a dedication to make a difference. Successful career woman is very supportive and caring husband, a proud mother of 2 daughters with highly successful career, and growing a grandmother to 3 grandchildren. Her belief and mantra, life is what we made it to be, it is not what you cannot do, and but what you can do. So whatever you do it with great and do it to make a difference in someone's life. That's a good thing. So this is, now I tell that this is a small glimpse. I have not gone through the details. The small glimpse of our DC, Swarnalata. So now I am handing over the mic to her. So we love to hear from you.
What most people will ask or say about. There is a bonding, we agree on many things, we agree, disagree on many things. That is what I say bonding is all about. Right? Each of us comes with a mind, with an intelligence that we already come with. So the idea is that she makes a change in a different way, I make a change in a different way. So that is what is the beauty of innovate. Not agreeing to everything on the same line that you were asking me in the how. The idea is that we do something which actually touches somebody somewhere. You know, it doesn't have to be money, it doesn't have to be things, it could be just us. Right? Thank you very much. And master of, I can't say that, but master of you. Right? Dear President Kama, and of course, Hindu President Manasa, my district KC member Vedanta, and the district secretary here today, Anupama, secretaries of both the clubs, all the seniors of Innovate Club of Nizamabad and Hindu present today, and of course, my very dear district chairman, Saundarya Chitkar. I share a very different bond with her, which she also sometimes says, Adi, we never look at in the room. Right? So that is what Innovate teaches us, that we must be a friend, you are a very friend. And as I say, we agree with us. I would say a very warm welcome to all the Innovate listeners present today. A good afternoon. It gives me immense pleasure to come back to Nizamabad in this role today. I have come as a member, I have come for my first club training when Saundarya was district secretary. Right? And she was getting installed as the president. She was, right? So it was a very different experience for me. The number of people, the kind of environment that it was here, I did not know much about Innovate at that time. I was maybe 6 months old, 1 year old. What I witnessed today firsthand the dedication and warmth that you have shown today. Thank you so much. I sincerely thank both the club president and the secretary for all the work that they have showcased in such a beautiful manner. And both the treasurers, in spite of them not having the account, the way they have showcased, amazing. So much clarity and transparency. I did not really spend as much time as I wanted to because they were so clear in what they were showing. I didn't have much to say. Congratulations to both of you. I did give some IT techie fundas, as we call it, right? I hope they take it in good spirit. Because the idea is today's time, in the given time of 24 hours, we wanted to be equivalent of 48 hours. Right? So I say one thing, if I can do it at this age, I'm sure you can do it. For me, an occasion visit is not just a formality. I find it an opportunity to connect hearts, share ideas, and also appreciate and celebrate the work that all of you are doing. I call it a celebration because I know the amount of happiness it gives to the person who is making or trying to do the work. When Satnamji showed me that particular poster, you should have seen her face. More than the poster I was looking at her. You know, the essence of the thrill that I have done something. And that I think in a way gives us an opportunity. Thank you. I'm actually inspired every time I come to Nizamabad, I tell Srinagar, I learn something different. I have so many friends here. The whole line there. Yeah? Yes. We've had a very wonderful journey for a year that we go together and it continues to stay. What I say about Saundarya or I say about Sakshi, Manta, all of these people, look at Vaishali, she's smiling at me. We work together not as, a board, but that creates the bond for us. And that is the bond we say that we allows us to take it forward. The commitment that both the clubs have shown today only tells one thing. Long live Inavi, as we say. Fellowship and leadership is always the mantra that we go with. But it also shows that busy doctors, busy housewives with so much of responsibility, yet they are able to do what they are doing. I deeply appreciate the meaningful projects that you all have done. First thing I called Vinata and told her, I really mentioned it in the evening. The Orange the World, which is very close to my heart because of the subject itself. Suddenly 3 days before, not 3 days, about a week before, I get a call from the association president. Swarna, we all know you are a techie and look at the techie webinar from you. I said, what happened? Did I not give you the right speaker? What happened? I was supposed to do a national webinar on the changing technology and the influence of the new technologies like AI in inner being. This is a very nice subject. Suddenly I get a call from the association president looking at her. She said, Swarna, I think you should do this. That anybody can do because the speakers will take care. Orange the World is where we talk about violence, abuse, and end violence against women. Since you are so involved, 1 week I was given to run that webinar. And when I told Vedanta that we were going to do this, and she took up this particular opportunity to organize, I immediately told her it's one of the best things that can happen. Flash mob, awareness in a mall, congratulations to all of you for that. It really, really made a difference. I did send that particular note across as a special mention, and I hope the district editor showcases it in the right way. I talked to Kanda also about it. The other thing that Innovative District 305 achieved for Orange the World is the motivation that came from these kind of work. We got all the city clubs in the city to come and participate in awareness walk. And you know who are the participants? You will not be able to guess. We had 40 children of abuse who came to participate in that particular walk. And
only say they came because of inner peace. They didn't come for any other reason, not because there is no Karna, Karna is working with them, no. They came because Innovi took up that cause that we want to end violence against women. So I really appreciate your clubs doing that. Addressing the needs of community, as we say, we do value a lot of things in Innovi, but sometimes we lose our importance of certain things. What I have seen today in the reports, in the showcasing of your club's projects, only one thing. That is, service when done sincerely, it actually creates a lasting impact. Today when you saw that girl with tears in her eyes using a wheelchair is something that we will all appreciate. Thank you, thank you, thank you. To see the emotion that we have brought up. And that I think as women, we are the people who can do it. Thank you for sponsoring such projects. My compliments to both the presidents for leading their club with such wonderful leadership skills. All the members who have contributed selflessly. The kind of projects that you have done for environment, food bags, Ganesha idols, yeah? Sports equipment, very dear to me. And of course, the teamwork that goes to bring about all this. Look at Indur talking about breast cancer screening. That was with the Grace Foundation. Grace Foundation is known for cancer. They know about Innovi, but they don't come forward. Thank you, because that is also branding for Innovi. And that I think is a very good step. I understand that when we do this kind of projects, there is a kind of involvement by only a few. Today I am telling many clubs, the club project is not a project to be written in the project report. It is a difference that the club is making, keeping everybody together to look at what happens next. So there is continuity. We have some projects that we do on a continuous basis. We call them continuous projects. That means every year, the same school that you will have an orphanage. You go and do those kind of work there. You go to give them vaccines are there, you give them food. So these continuities actually build the brand of Innovi. It's not just the project. Keeping up the ideals of Innovi with pride and dignity, we have done things that most women don't even think about. Do you think any other women in your neighborhood would be thinking on the lines that you are doing? No, no. They say you are doing a donation, हजार मेरी तरफ से दीजिए, 500 मेरी तरफ से दीजिए, ठीक है 10,000 दे दीजिए, but we don't connect. And I appreciate clubs taking that up because Innovi makes us connect. And I find that with all of you here today. Thank you so much. The small acts that we do, giving food to a orphanage or an old age home, giving fruits, giving juices, giving biscuits, don't please rule them out as something uncapital. I call it a no-brainer project because you don't have to think much. But it definitely makes a difference. Receiving one biscuit packet after the HPV vaccine, the child says, looking at that biscuit packet, so that biscuit packet is a motivating factor for taking the vaccine because it's scared of the injection. I can say one thing that what Innovi does abroad, which I have been seeing everywhere, I don't think any other organization who is saying on the women power achieves it. So we must say a big, big round of applause for Innovi. Coming to the achievements, thank you for supporting us during one very unique event, first time ever in the history of Innovi Association, that is the cricket match that was held in Hyderabad. We've been getting continuous appreciation from various outside dignitaries, not just members, but dignitaries, that how did you do something getting all India level 200 young members coming and participating. And this I find happens with clubs like yours coming to support. The amazing difference that you all have projects, the amazing togetherness that all of you show. I used to always tell Priyanka, what somebody comes to Nizamabad for. It's say Nizamabad, but that doesn't count. Because your rallies are known. Everybody enjoys it. And that happens not because of few people, it happens because of the members who support it. And that spirit, I give credit to Nizamabad. Now, of course, we include also. Yeah. Thank you all so much for the hospitality, for the kind of gracious welcome that you all did. Though you all shocked me with all the large ones again. Yeah. I like the idea that the DC when they discussed about the fundraising. Okay. Today we are in a position to say that corporates are recognizing energy as a body that can make a difference. So I've just made some recommendations how it can go and how we can get. Large projects can be done with the support of companies. Today companies have huge amount of money. Why should we take all the money only from our pocket? Tell them, no, I'm doing this, please come and help. We did it last year. We've done it this year. We will continue to do that. And of course, we've already got the club registered. So you become eligible for CSR funding and APG certification. So that is a very, very big achievement. The first job to get that is Vietnam. I can only say that whatever we do with the help of seniors, with the help of co-members, right? It basically tells us that if we decide, we will achieve. And that spirit I see here all the time. I see here all the time. Your magazines, Mirror and Colors, yes. Very well presented, small, brief, very, very precise. Thank you. Wonderful. The guidance comes from many people, but your editors must be completely correct. And of course, the ISO, having participated and taking the entire possibility of extending friendship, your club and the district gets a name. Thank you. Sujata. She's not somewhere. For your participation at the multi-district rally, at the multi-district ISO meet, and your Gopti Express. It makes a difference because this is an experience that will tell you what inner peace, bonding and friendship is. Right? Tomorrow you go back to 317, everybody will say, हाँ वो टाइम में आए थे ना आप मेरे घर आए. That is it. For me it's an emotional journey coming here because coming to Nizamabad as a club president for training first. Somebody asked me today about training. My first training happened in Nizamabad when Saundarya was district secretary and Sonal was getting installed as the president at that time. So they had the Koti करेंगे अब माया के टाइम में Maya was the district chairman, incoming district chairman. So there is an experience that we used to do earlier, basically no. Today we are doing it on online basis. Somebody has asked me if we can have training sessions for the members once again. So again, we don't come back to me. This time we are giving to being a trainer, I get called, Madam After. So it's nice that members are asking for, information, wanting to get involved. That's a very, very positive sign for us. Like we are very passionate about what we do. I do 20 things at a time, 3-4 things continuously at one time. Today it's very difficult for me to keep my phone in silent and not take any calls. Very, very difficult. We do putting up all the details on the website and sharing information with us. We have crossed 3 crores worth of projects this year in Bangalore, that is the one. Which is a very, very commendable thing for a small, tiny district like us. People who have 70, 80 clubs, they are also appreciating money. They are not more than us. So we feel that we have, District Freedom Flight has the power of such lovely working clubs like senior clubs, not just working clubs, senior clubs. Right? Thank you all so much for having me with you all today. It was wonderful interacting with the PC in the meeting in the morning. So we had to cut short a little bit, a lot of parents were coming up. It was nice, and I have to say thank you to Priyanka and Anupama for insisting that I come in and not delay further. Yeah, Rama was responsible. Thank you all so much and wish you all the very, very best. Great work ahead, great bonding, and we say enjoy learning. Thank you. Even for my projects when I was the president, I've had Saundarya come for small projects, giving away shoes, giving away books. He has come for those projects. They've all been part of innovating in a very different way. And that is what I say, we must encourage with each other. Don't come into that, I want to go, I don't want to go. If it is a project to make a difference, we should all participate. We should. Thank you all once again. Thank you.